Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting in ClickUp and run it efficiently from start to finish. Whether you're planning team check-ins, project discussions, or recurring meetings, or you simply want a more structured way to manage meetings, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and head over to the ClickUp website. Once you land on the homepage, click on the login button and sign in to your account. You can use Google Sign In if it's already connected, which makes the process faster and easier. If you have multiple ClickUp accounts, make sure you select the one you use for your team or work projects so everything stays organized. Next, after logging in, navigate to the space or list where you usually manage your projects. This is where your meeting setup will live. Look for the three-dot menu next to the list name, click on it, and select Templates from the available options. Templates in ClickUp are extremely helpful because they give you a ready-made structure instead of starting from scratch every time. Now, click on Browse Templates and use the search bar to type in meeting. You'll see several meeting-related templates appear. Choose the one that best fits your needs, and then locate the all-hand meeting section. This is where ClickUp helps you organize agendas, action items, and follow-ups in one place. Click Use Template to move forward. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Give your meeting a clear and recognizable name, assign tasks to attendees, and add due dates for action items. Doing this beforehand saves time during the meeting and keeps everyone accountable afterward. Once you've named the meeting and applied the template, open the New Meeting tab that appears. From here, you can edit existing tasks, add discussion points, and customize the setup to match your meeting goals. After that, you should be able to manage your meeting efficiently and keep everything documented in one place. It's also a good idea to reuse this template for future meetings to stay consistent and productive. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and manage meetings in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want better meetings. Why not make someone's day easier?